And as of this evening, the state health department reports nearly every long-term care facility in the state has had a COVID-19 outbreak at some point throughout the pandemic. At this hour, dozens of facilities in Utah are experiencing an outbreak as we speak. But one Utah facility has never experienced an outbreak. How? ABC4's Haley Hendricks joining us live from Lehi with that story.
Emily, while the pandemic isn't over, restrictions are still not as tight as they once were. However, precautions are in place to keep everyone safe and healthy.
We were in lockdown. We wore masks and washed our hands, used sanitizing, all that kind of thing.
Of course, we were here for all of the holidays, which was very difficult because family could not come in.
Tight restrictions were put into place across senior living facilities statewide in an effort to protect people from contracting COVID-19. While hard on Utah's senior community, Diane Serdar says she understands.
We kind of knew that things were bad and that we would just have to be patient until things opened up.
Currently, 32 long-term care facilities out of 352 in the state are experiencing multiple COVID-19 cases. Throughout the pandemic, the Utah Department of Health reports 295 facilities have had an outbreak, but 57 of them have been fortunate to not have one, and Bellevue Assisted Living and Memory Care in Lehi is one of those.
Just like you had to go through temperature checks, wear a mask, make sure, they don't have any symptoms or anything like that.
Bellevue owner Jeff Southard says every resident and employee is required to be vaccinated against the virus. While residents' health is top of mind, he says so is their social well-being.
We're doing safe types of activities where they can either social distance or keep masks on, but still have a quality of life that keeps them vibrant and healthy in more ways than just the pandemic.
We've gone up to American Fork and had picnics and fed the ducks, and we've gone to all different places.
Jan and I have been working on a puzzle now for a week and we're still struggling, but we're having a good time.
Well, with the Delta variant causing cases to once again surge, residents tell me they're being cautious but are not overly worried as they feel safe here. Reporting live in Lehi, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Haley. Well, across